first things first is you're going to want to go to this GitHub page, link in description. Then you're going to go here and then just copy it. And then go to the command prompt and then do cd desktop and then do git clone control V. I already have it, so that's that. And then you want to do cd product checker and then close that for a quick second and then go right here and just copy this line there and then control V and let that download. And then once that finishes, you're going to want to get a different Chrome driver. The link will be in the description to this thing because the one that it comes with is a little outdated. And now you've downloaded the bot, and to run it, just do python gui.py. And then that's the bot, and then you just want to close that. And then whenever you want to run it again, cd desktop /product checker and then do python gui.py. And then it comes up and start and stop jobs, and then you put your webhooks here, which will give you the Discord notification, adding products, adding the highlighted item to tell you what webhook you want, so it'll give you a specific Discord channel notification and channels. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Guys, I hope you enjoy the tutorial on how to install the bot. I'll leave links to switches in the description that will work 100% with the bot. And stay tuned for part 2, where I will create a Discord channel for you guys, and I'll run my version of the bot that has a bunch of different listings for the Switch 24/7 pretty much. And I hope you stay tuned and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.